So hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the Deloitte off-campus drive 2023. So they are hiring for the intern analyst position. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding various latest off-campus drives. And also, like, if you see every day we're uploading videos related to the various off-campus and also related to the some technology related videos, and also we are taking mock interviews as well for various companies. So you can schedule your mock interview. It's totally free of cost by dropping an email to our email address helpfultechniques@gmail.com to schedule your free mock interview, so that we can take your mock interview and we can screen your resume, and we can like recommend you what are the key skills or the areas you need to look for or like prepare well for the upcoming interviews, right? So now let's discuss. So they're hiring for the intern analyst position. So this is for the USI campus. That means Deloitte has two branch, you can say, like one is India and another is the US. So there are two different domains or the like units they have. So it is for the US Deloitte USI or the US Deloitte. So this is the job ID or the position ID. This is the requisition code 57410. So if you are approaching to any Deloitte USI employee, then ask them to refer for this position, so that it will be he or she will be able to refer you for this position or specific job ID, right? So now let's discuss about this like the eligibility criteria and all. So let me zoom it a little bit so that like you will be able to see the content. So they're hiring for this intern analyst position. So these are like three locations you can apply for. One is the Bangalore, Hyderabad and Mumbai. So the three locations are available. As you know, right now the companies have started operating in the hybrid model or work from office. So you need to visit to the locations. So based on that, please choose the location, right? And so now let's discuss about the expertise or the experience or the eligibility criteria here. So basically they are hiring for three different domains. So the first one is the Oracle, and second one is the customer and the marketing, and third one is the SAP, right? So now let's discuss one by one so that it will be it will be clear to you for which profile you are suitable, or based on your expertise or experience or knowledge of the skills you need to apply, right? So before that, let me tell you about later we'll be discussing. Let me tell you about one by one. So first one is the Oracle. So basically they are hiring for the Oracle functional consultant. So Oracle has two consulting, like Oracle functional consultant and the technical consultant. So functional in the sense like you should be able to like operate in the front end basis, like Oracle application, Oracle EVS or the e-business suite, or the Oracle Fusion Cloud technologies and all. Like you should be able to understand the ERP systems or the ERP cloud systems, like how the HRMS or the supply chain management or the procurement part works and all, right? These are like front end part you need to take care of. You need to connect with the business analyst and you need to understand, because this is mainly on the perspective of functional consulting, but you have to like be a little bit idea about the technical part as well, or the technical stuff as well, right? And these are like things like develop functional or the process document, build the test and deliver solutions and also and so. So basically it is not that much a technical part. You'll be more aligned into the functional part of the ERP systems. Then the second one is the customer and the marketing. So as you know, like mainly it is for the digital marketing and the designing and the prototype of the customer growth strategies you have to build to create, develop and the change of the digital world, like how exactly they can reach to the potential customers and all, right? And you have to identify the pricing strategy, digital strategy, that means digital marketing and all. And SAP. So SAP, as you know, like it is mainly used for the analytics purpose, and like these are the like things you need to you should be having at least the skill, because they're hiring for the intern position. So they don't expect to have experience in all these things, but you should be having some knowledge or the basic idea about all these technologies or the functionalities or the areas, right? So coming to the eligibility part, so basically they are looking for the candidate who has some basic idea about all these things. Yeah, so let me check where they have mentioned overall form. So somewhere I have seen that they have mentioned this that the student must be having some basic understanding about all these things. And coming to the year of pass out, any year of pass out batch candidates can apply, provided you must be having, like, you should be ready to join their company within 30 days, maximum of 30 days of notice period. And branch criteria, any branch candidate can apply, there is no restriction. And if you are willing to apply, then simply click on the apply now and you will be able to apply. And coming to the percentage part, any percentage candidates can apply, provided it totally depends upon them whether they will select or reject you based on some other criteria, like if you are not if you don't have these required skills sets or not, so and so, right? But there is no such percentage criteria here for this position. And if you are interested, then simply click now, then it will take you to the career page. Here you need to, there are two options. You have already created an account, then you simply provide your email address and password, or else you can create a profile. Simply click on the create profile, then it will take you to the career page where you can upload your resumes, like copy and paste or the upload from the computer. Once you have uploaded your resume, automatically it will fetch the details from your resume for the personal information, job qualification and other things. Once it is done, you simply click on the review and submit. That's it. And after that you will be getting some invitation for the test, like it will be some basic questions like FT reasoning and other comprehensive questions will be there. Once you clear this, then there will be a technical interview where they will be asking you about all these areas like basic understanding, to check whether you have the basic knowledge about all these things or not. Once it is done, there will be the HR interview. So this is all about the selection process. So I hope it is clear to you right now. So I will be putting this link in the description of this video. Try to apply this position as soon as possible before it gets expired, because there is no specific expiration date here mentioned in this portal. So I will be posting the link in the description so that you will be able to apply for this position. So thank you for watching this, guys, for this video. I will see you in the next video.